This light is too much. It's got only one light here. YouTuber in budget. But is it better? I think this is better. Light swap. Oh my god, that is fucking bright. Ooh. Hello. 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 Seriously, this is not happening. I just need to let loose a bit. You know. I'm ready to do it. I am committed now. So today we're gonna do a trial video. So today we're gonna do a trial video. The reason why I'm gonna do a trial video, because the first trial video that I did, which is about trying Asian snacks, it's gonna be here, got a pretty good views, like 2,000 something, which is like super good for me with 62 subscribers. Please subscribe to my channel. Anyway, so because that video got a pretty good views, I thought I will do another trial, but this time it's not gonna be about food trying or anything. This time it's about this one. So this is a instant teeth whitening kit called iWhite. Who doesn't want a white, bright, nice looking teeth? Tell me. Everybody does. But I can't go to a clinic. It's not like I can't go, but I don't want to go to a clinic and get my teeth whitened. First, it's so expensive in England, I'm not gonna lie. And second, COVID. It's not gonna happen. So I thought I will get this one and then try it on here and share the result with you. And if it's good, you can get it and you can try it as well. So my dentist in Cyprus, I am really sorry that I'm gonna try this one. I don't know if it is safe. I mean, it says it's clinically proven safe and effective in here, but I don't know if it's gonna damage my teeth or anything. So if you watch this, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna do it. The only thing that I'm scared of is that I had a gap between my teeth and then I get a cosmetic, something called cosmetic bond in Cyprus. So I'm just really scared that this thing's gonna harm it. But again, it says clinically proven, safe and effective on it. So let me tell you why I want to get my teeth whitened. First, I'm a coffee drinker. Like, not like normal people that drink 3 or 4 coffee a day. I drink coffee like water. Second, I wanna say I'm really sorry the old family members that didn't know this, but I'm a smoker. So when you drink coffee and then smoke, tends to change your teeth in a bad way. Like if you coffee drinker, tea drinker or smoker, that teeth is gonna go yellow and black. I'm sorry, that's the truth about it. And that's the second reason that I want to try this. To be fair, when I did my and then to be fair, it's easy. Like if I'm gonna get a white crystal, as it says in here, teeth in 20 minutes, why wouldn't I? You know. So let me read the instruction and then we're gonna open the box and I'm gonna show you. So in the front it says it's new formula, up to 8 shades whiter. It's iWhite instant teeth whitening, as it says clinically proven safe and effective. It says it's instant, 20 minutes a day, white crystal, And then it says instant whitening, active stain remover, strengthens. I don't know how you read it, but I think it makes your teeth go strength. Yeah. And here, where it says how to use, it says brush teeth gently before each application. Make sure your hands are clean and dry. I'll wash my hands before I put it on. Not that it's dirty, but remove the pre-filled tray from the sealed sachet, and immediately place the tray in your mouth, ensuring the gel is in contact. The gel is in contact with the tooth surface. Upper and lower teeth can be whitened at the same time. Gently close your lips over the tray and carefully close your mouth. Huh? How? Gently close your lips over the tray and carefully close your mouth. I'm gonna stay like that for 20 minutes. Caution. Biting too hard may cause excess gel to ooze out of the tray and away from the teeth. Remove the tray after 20 minutes and discard immediately. Gently rinse with the water the remaining gel away from your teeth and gum. And it says here you will see an immediate effect after the first application, but you can use the product for 5 consecutive days for optimum result. So, am I gonna use it for 5 days? I don't know, but we'll see. And then there's a bunch of things here. It says it's gonna change it to 8 shades whiter. 5 days, yeah, we know that. It gives instant whitening, yeah. Issue of 1 step. It delivers high soluble calcium and therefore strengthens. Why fucking hell this word? I'll put it on. You know, it's gonna make my teeth go strengthen. I don't know. The tray is designed to whiten both the front and the back of the teeth. It is easy to wear, to use, whatever. There's no mixing involved. Each tray filled with okay, so I got this one from Superdrug, and I think it retails originally from £39 something, but it was on sale when I bought it, and it was like £12. So for £12, if I'm gonna get white teeth, why not? I'm just gonna open the box. It comes sealed, and I didn't open it yet. So let's open the box. It's like got this thing, sealed thing. I ripped the thingy. Opening it. First thing that comes out from the box is instructions. Yeah, whatever. I'll avoid swallowing the gel. When am I gonna be able to read in English fucking hell? And then did I get the right thing? This is what comes. Liars. Look at this one. I thought it was full because comes like that, and I thought like I've got millions in it, but so it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 applications. I think it said it on the box, but I get angry. It looks like this from the front, and then this from the back. So I don't think this will cover my teeth. That is my problem. But we're just gonna give it a try. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go wash my hands, and I'm gonna come and unpack this and put it on my teeth and wait for 20 minutes. But while I'm waiting for 20 minutes, I don't think I will be able to talk with that. And I don't even know how am I gonna close my mouth yet, because it says cover your teeth with no. It says gently close your lips over the tray and carefully close your mouth. So I don't know how I will be able to talk like that, but we will try. So I'll be back in a sec. I'm back. I washed my hands, they're clean, and I fixed my hair because it was flying this side. So I'm gonna try it now. And I'm scared. Before I try it, I take a picture of my teeth before. So it's gonna be somewhere here. And then after, I'm gonna put them together so you can see the difference. I am genuinely shitting myself because I don't know if it is safe or if it's, I don't know. So first, open up this one off. Should I put both of them together, or should I just do top part and bottom part separate? I think I'm gonna try them both. So let me just come a bit closer to you. Okay, we are opening it, and then this is my teeth before. I got 2 missing tooths. So when you open it, it comes like that. The solution, whatever thingy is inside, you just press it onto your teeth and it's gonna do its magic, I guess. So when you take it out, it's like this plasticky thing, and then it's got the gel solution inside. I'm scared that it's gonna fall. Can you see? Let's wait for it to focus. Focus! First, I'm gonna put it on bottom teeth and see what is gonna happen. I run a gun! Anna. Okay. But that's what they meant. Gently close the lips over the thingy tray. Let me put the second one on. It's moving. What time is it? 47. So, I put them on. I can't talk. So I guess I'll see you in 20 minutes. See you in a bit. That was the worst 20 minutes of my life. Why? Because I had to keep my mouth shut. And I don't think I've ever kept my mouth shut for 20 minutes before. And then it was uncomfortable, but wasn't like hurting or tingling or anything. It was just like you have something on your teeth. And then on top, I couldn't swallow for 20 minutes and all of the fucking things. It was disgusting. But we're gonna see if it did any different, and I will put pictures so we can see them together. The moment of truth. I mean, I can see still yellows. It's not a massive difference, but it did something. I feel like, you know, when you go to the dentist and then when they do the cleaning and then your teeth feel uncomfortable, like they're moving around. It's not like they moved from their places. My teeth feels like that. And it's supposed to strengthen your teeth. Said the word. Yeah, it's supposed to strengthen your teeth. But I don't know. I'm just scared if it has made my teeth go a bit sensitive than before, which I will hate because I love hot and cold drinks. I don't know. But let me know, comment down below if you think it did work or it just cleaned my teeth. I think I have to try it 5 days continuously to see the difference, but I mean, even if it did one shade brighter, that's all that matters. I'm fucking scared that it made my teeth go sensitive again, and I'm just gonna be super pissed if that is the case. Let's do a test. I'm just gonna get a hot and a cold drink, and then we're just gonna test if it made my teeth go sensitive than before. So I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm back. I've got water with ice, and I've got double espresso. This is not double, but espresso. Let's try and see if my teeth gone sensitive. Yeah, I mean, I can feel it, but I don't know if it's gonna be continuously feel like that. So, icy water. I can little bit feel it, but I don't know. Yeah, I can feel it. Yeah, I think it just makes my teeth go a bit sensitive for cold one, which it might go away hopefully in the future. I'm hoping. So my final thoughts for eye white instant teeth whitening is, except the fact that made my teeth go a little bit sensitive for cold drinks, I think it is a good solution for instant teeth whitening. I mean, it is convenient because you're gonna do it at your home in your comfort zone. You don't have to go anywhere. And then the second thing is cheaper than going to a dentist and spend like hundreds of pounds to get your teeth whitening. However, I don't know if I will continue to use it because I'm scared that it will make my teeth go more sensitive. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna give it a day or two to see how my teeth will react to the hot and cold drinks and foods, and then decide what I'm gonna do. But you saw the pictures, so please comment down below, let me know what you think. For what it is and for the price point, it might be a good alternative to try at home. So this is it for today. Until the next time, adios.